IGC News, Mema Ovidia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news. Jakwa Eramide Bramo. Aniti so we are subscribe to the channel now. But more than say over subscribe to the channel. Lorian say over click it. I the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We understand video be upload for the first person I was have a ASR video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer so now when you be here now and someone Akoto will Ghana Memano. I feel you be right and someone beto Yapunoso. MP for Northton Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa at the Assembly about the Tuga. He named Galamsey who's in Samira to say, I give a beer and you should not say I am for Papuna Yano. Akoya Assembly Bree. Now look at the Assembly to say Akufo Addo one who born a year Galamsey. Anyway, what the document be about Tuga or body a year company be or see a late mining company or then. Now no Akufo Addo when he be a chassis to say one can be. And a year through a year Galamsey. And when I have president that is a president, then found on the Akoto surprise, then I said, Sen and Imano Boom. Okudzeto Ablakwa, Eddie and Assembly to their founder. Intentama, Sembrano, Yumura Kachi, Okuti a year and Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, Eddie to the MP for North Florida a year, then Samuel to the
Same guys. Indeed, if you look at the directors of elite mining, they are Aremeyaw and Aremeyaw. Aremeyaw is Edwin Akufo Addo's business partner for Insonam. They set up Insonam together, the Insonam restaurant.
You are sure of that?
Yeah, yes. I have the Insonam
okay,
incorporation documents here. Insonam here, it's here. Incorporated 6 August 2020. Insonam.
As in water from the fish?
Yes.
But with Galamsey, how do you get fish from the water?
Good question. And the directors are here. Aremeyaw, Edwin Akufo Addo.
Okay.
Yes. And
this from where?
Registrar General. Yeah. Yeah. Have all the documents. I mean, the same guys.
Lie.
I mean, and now you can see why the president appears impotent, incapacitated. And these guys, you talk to the chiefs in the community, the devastation they have left behind. This force that the Ghana Police Service is using on 8-year-olds, grannies. Why is elite mining? And elite, this is just the beginning. I'm tracking them in some other area too. I'm serving notice. Ghanaians will be shocked. They say presidential daughters cabal. So presidential sweethearts doing sweetheart deals and just messing all of us up. Licenses that are still being given out to these Galamsey operatives. Like there is no tomorrow. I have concluded the analysis on the Ghana mining repository. And Doc, will you believe that? From the mining repository, Nana, this will interest you. Since 1988 to 2016, only 96 licenses were issued.
But you told us this couple
No, the last one was just, that one was 2009 to 2016. Now I've gone back to the beginning of the repository, 1988.
Yeah, but that's fine. I'm wondering, Randy, so you didn't ask your guest about this? The licenses.
The licenses regime.
No, we couldn't get to that.
Okay.
We couldn't get
but you'll be
because the last time Sammy talked about it, we
couldn't get to that.
So will you believe that from 1988 to 2016, 96 licenses. 96. From 2017 to now, 1,503. So this is 1988 to 2016. This is it. And this is 2016. I saw, since I put out this analysis, I saw one Zigomado or so say that, experts say that give out more licenses. When you give out more licenses,
bring them.
It brings them
under the regulation.
It brings them under regulation, and so it enhances. That will have made sense if after bringing all of these people, we are not seeing this distraction. What do these people take us for? That Gomado or whoever
the retrogression defeats that
yes,
argument.
Totally defeats that. No logic, no common sense in that writer people.
Unless you want to say that your regulatory regime does not have the capacity.
Yes.
And if you do not have the capacity, why do you take on more load?
Yes. Because, you see, the second point I was going to make is that I haven't seen, because When you are issuing all of these massive
You are
licenses,
watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot
you
news
need
all time.
to show
You
that
are
you
watching
have
Juicy
capacity
News on
to
YouTube. Hot news all
really
time.
monitor,
So that's how come.
to supervise.
So that's how come the Minerals Commission tells us they are opening more offices.
Yeah.
They are recruiting
Yeah,
more men.
you are now
They
doing
are
that.
sending more men.
Yes.
They have more people there.
Yes.
More whatever there. But at the end
It's
of the
clearly
day,
not adequate.
Yes. At the end of the day,
And-
I think that
and,
where
and,
we are
and,
now.
and we should come before there. Shouldn't you build the capacity, have your offices and all of before you issue licenses like this?
I mean, what I think is that what we have
What do
now,
these people take
what we
us
have now is not the absence of the regulators at the place. If we take the Konongo one, for example,
Yeah.
you have the district director of mines. We are told that he presented a report. The security agencies are aware. The Minerals Commission itself is aware. The ministry is aware. Yet, what is happening is happening. It tells you that what is happening is beyond the regulatory agency itself.
Yeah.
I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter whether we have 2 million geologists or engineers or whatever at a particular place. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. And you see, as I continue to track these licenses and the kind of mining they are engaging, will you believe that I have discovered that the same ambulance cabal, the presidential daughter's ambulance cabal, they are neck deep in all of this mining going on.
Oh, how?
Take it from me. I have all the documents here.
No.
Neck deep.
No.
I have the incorporation documents here. Believe it. Elite Minerals Ghana Limited.
Maybe they're providing ambulances for the mining areas. There are a lot of casualties.
Oh
there.
la la.
There are a lot of casualties.
But
They-
they don't
They supply ambulances.
but Sammy, are you sure?
They procured the inflated ambulances and then they were going to do the ambulance papers.
What
The
cabal are
34.9.
you talking about?
Alvin Mensah, that same cabal.
Who's that?
Alvin Mensah. He is Ghana Auto Company Limited and then also Beth Engineering. So they use Ghana Auto Company Limited to procure and then Beth Engineering for the ambulance spare parts deal. Those same guys, that same cabal.
So what's the name?
The presidential daughters cabal. So this time, they've incorporated Elite Mining.
Elite.
And they are giving
E-L-I-T-E.
them E-L-I-T-E. And they are giving them licenses like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah.
The latest one, 22nd March 2024.
This year.
Yes, the code is RML/5/9 volume 2. This one expires in 2036 to go and mine in the Kwabena forest in the eastern region. And I've been there. I have the photos
That's
there.
close to home.
Yes, I've been there.
You've been in that forest.
I went there. I went undercover. Been there. I have the photos here. And the kind of the
You
devastation
mean
they've left.
this
Yes.
is what this company is
Yes,
doing?
Elite. Yes, in the Achim Techiman area. Yes, Elite.
And
then
no, Sam, what you are showing us is just photos. So.
yes,
Where's
yes,
the
photos.
evidence
So their concession. This is what
They're the
this is the
concession.
state
Yes,
of their concession.
yes, yes. And if you go on the Ghana Mining
You are
Repository, it's
watching
there.
Juicy
They are
News
the
on
concession.
YouTube.
Their
Hot news
area
all time.
where the
You are
zone
watching Juicy
in the
News on
Kwabena
YouTube.
forest.
Hot
Their
news
river,
all
the river
time.
Pram is going through there. Then 28 November 2023, they were given another license at the Bonsa, Prestia, Huni Valley area, the western region.
Same company.
Same company. Expires 2053.
Huh?
Then they have a third license for lithium, this time for lithium. So they are going beyond. They don't do only gold. 11th July 2023, in the Gomoa Ingresi, Ekumfi, and Gomoa West, all in the central region. Then they attempted to get a fourth license. They wanted an exclusive concession of the Volta region salt.
Exclusive.
Yes.
They don't want
exclusive.
anybody.
Yes. Then the chiefs of the Sumek Traditional Council protested, fired a strongly worded statement when they saw the Gazette notification. And that is what has stalled it. So even though they had some preliminary, approval, that has stalled it. So they haven't been able to move in. Thanks to the courageous chiefs of the Sumek Traditional, they will have had gold, lithium, salt in the Volta region. Same guys. Same guys. Indeed, if you look at the directors of Elite Mining, they are Awo Mensah and Alvin Mensah. Awo Mensah is Edwin Akufo Addo's business partner for Insonam. They set up Insonam together, the Insonam restaurant.
You are sure of that?
Yeah, yes. I have the Insonam
Okay, sir.
incorporation documents here. Insonam here, it's here. Incorporated 6 August 2020.
And Somunam.
Insomnam.
As in water from the fish.
Yes.
But with Galamsey, how do you get fish from the water?
Good question. And the directors are here. Our women are Edwin Akufo Addo.
Okay.
Yes. And
this from where?
Registrar Generals. Yeah. Yeah. About the documents. I mean, the same guys.
Lie.
I mean, and now you can see why the president appears impotent, incapacitated. And these guys, you talk to the chiefs in the community, the devastation they have left behind. This force that the Ghana Police Service is using on 8-year-olds, grannies. Why is elite mining? And elite, this is just the beginning. I'm tracking them in some other area too. I'm serving notice. Ghanaians will be shocked. They say presidential daughters cabal. So presidential sweethearts doing sweetheart deals and just messing all of us up. Now, you know what even annoys me in this whole affair? I have intercepted their tax records. You hear government pro-Galamsey propaganda say that, oh, the economy will collapse. They create some doomsday that, hey, mining, the money we are making from mining, if you ban all forms of mining. So I said, okay, maybe these elite guys, they are probably giving us some elite money. So let me go and check. Will you believe? I'll give you a call. You are very good with crunching numbers.
You are watching
Will
Juicy
you believe
News
that between
on
2021
YouTube. Hot
and
news
2024,
all time.
they
You are
have,
watching
in
Juicy
terms of
News on
revenues
YouTube.
accumulated,
Hot news all
53.8
time.
million cedis. The only year they pay taxes was for 2023. This year, they only pay taxes this year. And even that, just 132,000 cedis.
So you know you pay tax on profits.
They were making profits, but they were not paid. And actually they were fined for refusing to pay. You see every year, 2021, they were fined and they had to pay penalty. You see, penalty 2021, 2022, they had to pay penalties. You see, they were not even paid until a lot of the noise started. They were not filing. Yes. So they
but
paid.
now they've been paid.
So they've only paid 132,000 cedis, way below what they are supposed to pay. They owe Ghana money.
But
This company,
who assessed them?
the GRA.
And the GRA assessed them below what they should be paid.
No. They were not. I mean, they were not.
But they are elite.
They
were simply not paid.
But if they paid penalties, it means that they paid the taxes too. Or they haven't paid.
So
It could be a penalty for not filing.
penalty for not.
So
filing.
maybe
not
register. Yeah,
Yes.
not
So
filing.
after that, then you have to file.
So it's only now.
Anyway.
It's only now that they are
filing.
if you analyze this, and only 132,000 cedis. Can you believe that? Is what they have paid so far.
That, the taxes is on profit too.
Yeah, and I've told you over 53 million in profits.
Really? Where is it?
This year, go through
Where's the
there.
profit?
What about corporate tax?
Is there?
Anyway, I mean, I'm
You
sure
know-
they will speak for themselves.
So what's going on in this country?
Electoral Commission for and the Omo release statement. Assembly nyina say. Now, Jane Mensa say on your forensic audit bia ni nyina no. Asem tintin nyama metwa so ma ho. Yet Ghana ha, ye wa ahemfo akese wa ha. Ye wa asofo akese wa ha. Ahemfo ba ba ko mienu miensa bi pe na akasa. Afa forensic auditor I was here. Now I want to ask you a simple question. Before I go on, you see, Jane Mensa say Akufo Addo catch so on kan chem say onye forensic audit bia. No need for forensic audit. Laid down processes not exhausted. Or say forensic audit na ono agya tum say edwuma di omudi no na enho atochema no. Or say audit no onye. Or say omangasa e was structures wo easier omode be yes edwuma no. Enti sa forensic auditor pe say eye the independent auditors eba ne nyina hwemu no. Or say onye. Gemensa say no. Me catch them say there is no way a Jemensa be sa audit no. Or yeah, Akufo Addo's presidency will be illegitimate. But catch them. Man catch them. Me say sa maami we. Oni boss man sorry. The day omo be open omoself up for forensic audit wa Ghana no. Na do dan Akufo Addo's 2020 elections ye be hu say Akufo Addo onye legitimate president. Secondly, say oye this forensic auditor, the Supreme Court will be rendered useless. Because every document bia from 2020 to 2023, yele koto about from 2020 no, they know say it is bloated. They know. It is not say ebia omo person be yo. Omo nim say omo try sa de na. Adie ponche Akufo Addo ye betu Akufo Addo. And this same woman who was calling for audit in 2015. Today she says no. Makachiremu, we as Ghanaians, we need to press this EC. Okay? We need to press their balls. Oyo Banti, we need to stick there and make sure say the right thing is done. Me say, easy. We need to press his balls. But we need to wipe it and make sure say what we want, it has been done. Because she is working for Akufo Addo. She is doing everything to protect Akufo Addo's illegitimate presidency. She is doing everything possible to protect judges who knew the right thing but did the wrong thing. When electoral results in Ekopie court. So she is not just sitting there and protecting Odinejuma. She's also protecting the presidency. Timakachi will say, "Sa forensic audit the day obe biebu criminal, Akufo Addo will not be president again." So Akufo Addo has warned her never to try and open that book. Because we are so simple. But there's something I want to ask before I move forward. There's something I want to put forward. Today, Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, the leader and founder of the Movement for Change, M4C, and presidential hopeful of the Alliance for Revolutionary Change, has joined force with the opposition National Democratic Congress, NDC, and other civil society organizations to back calls for Ghana's electoral management body, the Electoral Commission, to conduct a forensic audit of the 2024 voter register. Yes, Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, Alan M4C joins calls for EC to conduct a forensic audit of 2024 voter register. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng, Oba Bontene, also support NDC for any CSO so mo nyina ka say sa register we enye credible. Moma yenye forensic audit. Ye nyina ye ma international the independent auditing firm Embra na ye nyina fe nihwem na ye make sure say e clean ansa ne akọ. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng oka omo a ye kwoto omo so aba akoyi omo president. Now hade. One list we. List where we no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Omu nyina per president di. John Mahama number 8. Alan Kyeremanteng number 13. These so far are the two politicians almost say we just want to see how transparent the EC is. We want a free, fair election. Moma yang yeden yembiem na yang yeden ye audit. All these people contesting. So far, me have not heard anybody. Mentis omu bimpa kase. We need a forensic audit on the register. None of them. Do you think the rest they care about you? They don't care about free and fair elections. And because as far as I know, omu amate se omu kase yenye auditing of the register Alan Kyeremanteng and John Mahama. From Bawumia to Kweku to the rest of these hypocrites obedient to me, because if all these guys had come together to say we need an audit of the register, they're not easy because they are the ones people are going to vote for, and they say we want the register to be audited. EC will have no option than to agree and make it work. But you see, I keep telling you, say there are people in this race. They are not in the race for you. They are not in the race because of Ghana. They are in the race because of their selfish interest to make money out of you. Into Mahamudi APC, Mumusa Yariga say, why is he not stepping out to tell the EC to do a forensic audit? Why is he not talking about it? Mahamudi Chabosmechi, why is he not coming out to say he wants an audit to be conducted on the register? Mahamudi Ekwedonkwechi, Mahamudi Kofi Apalukwa Champagne, Kofi Kurante, why are they all not coming out? Releasing statement that we want this to be done, because majority of them don't want a credible election. Majority of them are there for the money. You expect somebody to speak, to say, okay, we should all come together as political parties on the ballot box and write one statement and say, Ebia John Mahama or Yededo, Ebia NDC for Yedede, let us test, let us clean the register. Yenina Yenshe, Yewia, that's John Mahama lose. He knows say he has lost. Why do you think they are not doing it? Because some of them, majority of them there, they are not there because of you. They are not there because of the elections. They went there to take money. Kofi Apalu your business, Ayariga your business, Ekwedonkwo your business, gumu your business. Chada Kwasi Ampe ono Jimmy. Omo wa Kenya your business. They don't care. Say in Tokobesi or Ghana, they don't care. Abana Agyarko. So what is so bad? What is wrong if somebody asks, say, because of this and this and this and that, and you, the EC, you have admitted, say, it is true. These things happen. Why is it so difficult for you to open the register for a forensic audit to be done? Why do you think, say, all these candidates, they are not worried? Only Alan Kyeremanteng and John Mahama are worried. Why? The rest of the candidates are all candidates who don't care about how the election will go. Time at NDC court 2020. Did you see any of these political parties or independent candidates come out to say that, no, I'm also going to file a case? No. 99% of Omomo, they all supported the NPP. Say NPP, there are some of them here, NPP, they didn't talk. They are here. That is the issue. NDC is not asking too much, and NDC are not being speculative. NDC came with their facts. They came with things they have seen with evidence. So no fool can say, Argentina political parties, when they are in opposition, they blame the EC. The NDC are not blaming the EC because of nothing. The NDC have made their case. And the EC about Bontina because it is true. So why are you not allowing everybody to come and look at what you are doing? NDC and NPP in Kwasi Adinibia, Samia Ukumujina said the youth should come out and kill people and destroy this nation. Samia Ukumujina TV Suka said the youth should come out and kill Ghanaians. The youth to come out and destroy the nation. Where any that kind of allegation? The NDC came out with facts. Emma Isino has admitted that it is true. So why is the EC not agreeing? Say yenina yambra ne mehwem na momienko tie Isino and omo release statement tin. Let's take our time, break the statement now na Ghana for hu krono ajemen say bohe. We are not supposed to allow this election to go on without auditing the register. NPP for, let me tell you, they know say election is going to be rigged. NAPO Bawumia omni message omo ejimi. The NPP is not attractive to any rational Ghanaian. Omo the NPP chinyo omo ejimi. They know the truth is out of sheer stupidity, tribalism, and the NPP. They know say NPP na say kru no. Bawumia na onam Ghana nanti kan kwasasem. He knows senka Ghana na ne shopper ankwa Gyamfi nipa nsem. Bawumia onim. Nanka this way ya govern Ghana ka Bawumia mo opposition anka de na kobeka. Sibia ya govern Ghana sisian ka Bawumia your opposition leader anka de na kobeka. So he should tell you say the guy he's a hypocrite. He knows he's a munafiki. He eats pork. So he's not truthful. He's a liar. Bawumia is a typical munafiki. He is an imposter. He's not a Muslim. Or you preko or num wine or num wine with ye. They don't respect Muslims. Napo ya jimi. Napo onim nyansa ya de kasa. Or don't a tribe na did the chabedro or Jimmy on to me the problem a woman napo to me solve it. The problem we are in today. Napo need the brains to solve the problem we are in today. Bawumia is a liar. He has no idea about governance. Now, Mumianko tie EC. Eye omo press release in there. Yeni animi bi o mante. Yen kan brofo ni ndwedwam no monte ase. All right. So, we are about to read EC omo press statement no. Then we take it from there. Statement no mo dia ba no. Na Ghana fo nyina enti de omo kanase. Who said there's a problem. Or see na day no etum na isini audit no and sani akwenim. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC say omuhia audit. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng of the movement of change. Almost said omuhia audit register him. Adenti some other CSOs nipa titiri bebre organa ahemfo bi akasa say register no ye audit a enkuo bia. Isini say onye, Jemensa say onye. 2015 na Jemensa catch eye EC ni ana wo ho eye Charlotte say oma yenye audit register nim and before we catch the Ghana for say onye yetete ekrobia mu anka o say atwini mu but bibi nti na sofo preach wa sorry dem na so baba na hemu a oyi nani to nchen na okanya mesem moma yenko de yenko kan eye statement no na menjudwam na Ghana fo hu senia EC no ebu ye kwasea senia Jemensa hu ye say ye ne asini enu senia boss na sare modwen say ye nkwasiafo ombetumi wi abanim dia mabawumia moma yenko na yenko dwudwam. Now this is a statement from the Electoral Commission. ye yi part bi akan bebe ehia no akan a kyerɛw sɛ ne be ya ubehu eye atra omudi so amefo muntie me very important sɛ Ghana fo nyina behu no korɛ no saa de we untan hu bi eye hanko ana hu a ye fa nwoma no ne adwudwam ne ama Ghana fo nyina ehu de eko. Now already page 3 almost say it is important to note that the commission in cleaning the PVR employed a rigorous I don't know if this part of it, 4-pronged approach as follows. Okay. Sorry. So point 1, almost say is nyoma be enan bi na sebio omo eyeden edi omudwuma no omugina so sa nyoma 9 enie. Voters to our exhibition centers and via our electronic media who detected errors with their details had them corrected. Say voters are call exhibition area ho who say sebio information problem wo no say sa time of voters ne call no exhibition center ho no officers no correct problem ni nyina. When a James say Igina so aka kire mo say enya de obeye audit no. O say time na voters ne call exhibition centers eko check time ye exhibition no eko check omo din say wo mu no. O say officers no more correct obia voters bi oba so omo din asesa no ye de akwa ha me din spelling ni o say the officers no correct mistakes ni nyina. Point 2, exhibition officers in all our 40,000 plus exhibition centers scrutinized the register and reported discrepancies for correction. Or see, a year 40,000 a year exhibition centers a Ghana no. They see and say a year on the officers and no to make sure say a year obia oba hobia beka say our problem I want the information I registered him and sebio nyoma e fa ho e ho no say almost solve that problem ni nyina problem bi ensi to me solve obia problem. Inti Jemensa catch them say or person catch them say on any officers no 40,000 polling stations so said sa exhibition no problem biamba obi obey report bia no almost solving the report no ana problem na nipa de wo. Point 3, district electoral officers relied on the register viewer to scrutinize the register and correct discrepancies. Say district electoral officers no rely will be a friend voter register viewer and di gina so making sure say obi ni wa sebio exhibition wie no na owo problem into obi an complain bibia exhibition no bibia ko so jojo into onima de kudienti a NDC for kase yenye de audit e register nim. Over point 4 or say IT staff utilized the register viewer to scrutinize the register and reported discrepancies for correction. Or see, time and not what we call verification. No? In fact, the CNSA exhibition, officers, computer, no IT staff, no, to me, Emma Sebio, Shishemu, and one who say, problem no, solve it. Into baby war Ghana ha, Sebio, exhibition, no, be complaining to solve that problem, no, in SA center, into almost centers, 40,000, be any, IT staff, no, electoral commissioners, officers, a Jumo DNA, crojing, obi no complaining yet. Now the omo complaining krampo no almost solve a problem ni nyina ehun se bibia e krojin. Now, uko enima, this is what the EC said. This approach has been effective in helping to clean the register and rid it of discrepancies. For the record, the same approach was adopted by the Commission prior to the production of the final register in 2020. Now, it worked effectively. Evidence shows that there were no votes. Evidence shows that there were no voters who were denied the opportunity to vote during the 2020 elections. Also, strategy we are normally 2020 elections. No? In fact, a Jumadi Omudi in the 2024 time exhibition no any Bibiano, the same thing normally in the 2020 ya to abana fenchima obia and complain say ni din any registered him into a person catch Ghana for say Jumadi Odi in the 2020 and nipa 8 we no sa Jumadi na we din in there into entina honi entie. Because 2020 Juma Odi no and the ku nipa nwotwe ɔse saa adwuma no odi ene de o warehye mu se ebu adwuma pa ama obia wanka ama sebio wantwi bi ensi wo police station enti yanti asiye se dwuma de odi 2020 anipa wuye no eno ana osa be 2024 enti onti asiye se Ghana for ni NDC for any Kojo Kyeremanteng CSO sukase on audited register no uko edima se na Jemenseka or say this is the same approach we have adopted to clean the 2024 PVR, and we have no doubt that it will deliver the same outcome, namely a credible and robust final voter register ahead of the 2024 election. So basically, Sammy aperture mo say, Juma di odi 2020 a, omo di 2020 register no, and no one omo di a, omo di 2024. Inti onima de kudienti a, ye pe den audit ewo register nim. Momi enko enim EC esa ejudwa nsembim. Moma menkan na mjudwo mu nkyira mu. Jemensa esa kasa no osaka assembly eka ho. Oko page 6 a okan bibi ose corrupt and incomplete voter data. Or say the production of the provisional voter register PVR cannot perfect. The production of the provisional voters register PVR cannot perfect. It involves the retrieval of data from a database and formatting into a register that is presented to the public. In the extraction of the data, network errors may occur and lead to the corruption of data, which is then expressed in the PVR. This did occur in the production of the PVR. Now, however, this was detected and the affected registers were promptly regenerated during the exhibition. Or say, register no, dear Emani si ya ema data ni bi ekodi baby efa baby ene se time na omudi dwuma no sebio omo se network problem nti ema endini bi na ewo se baby ewo se any information bi ewo se baby eko no because of network problem any nyome bi a sebio na engine so ye no ene na ma sa problem ni si ye nti omo de share network adikudienti anipa bi voters bi ye omudi free pusiga ene ko wantonguru no ene ye obi free at force in constituency ene ne ban kan no o se o na network problem na emom later no omo huye ena omo check system no ena system no sa correct sa problem na see ye no akore ni mo say integrity of the IT system. Jemensa statement EC statement na make achiro no o say the EC is confident. The EC is confident in the security of its IT systems. The system has an audit trail that tracks all entries and modifications irrespective of how minutes they are. Now, I see EC no IT system no there idea more ding ejina ne naso. Na the fe krampo wo mu say obia eden nsaka EC for computers ana nyoma omudidi omudwuma na omo machines bi wo ha etumi track in this enrechi obidi ne saka EC computers ana BVD ana se de ndien a omo machine bi a etumi track se asebesi de ne saka ye omuvu bibi kwa ha into se omo IT system de ejina na so pampe okore nim no o say it employs both physical and electronic access control policies which utilize either password or biometric or both. We however recognize that there is no perfect system. Almost say almost systems there a use nipa and a computers. Edu point bi a ose nipa da de nyoma gum edu point bi so a ose computers e de dwuma no na omagia tum say nipa any computers na computer ho dwuma no nti den a infomso ho but omugidi say machines omudi ye dwuma no machines de gina na so enya de be mistake nti say eba edwuma a ema edwuma na gina na so ema enkofo data say bi obi tumi fa ne sanka de a opese okachira mo say ono ne machines no ne computers no any omudi sa adwuma ne de krojin bibia dan akwem okone ni was say a case in point is the transfer done by our officer in Pusiga who exploited the absence of a liveliness check in order in voter identification and use ID photos to undertake unauthorized transfer of voters. Now, it is important to note that the commission detected this anomaly, identified the vulnerability, and immediately put a remedy in place. More importantly, the presence of blah 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 or CO.
We're waiting for waiting and somewhere someone Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for Northtown what they a year Galamsey Sammy or just say Akufo Addo man one home Bawumia what they a winsome atuga. Because news so and our hello. So we don't subscribe we are for more than say we subscribe to the channel. Now feel so we are like if you give us a thumbs up, now feel share by offer for so now we be here now we and someone else so also bet me at what being a fire and some way now I will comment boxing. But in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.